Welcome aboard the Celebrity Reflection. I am so excited to take you on a full walkthrough tour of this gorgeous ship, deck by deck, so you can see everything Celebrity Reflection has to offer. I had a great time cruising on here, and while the decor is definitely different, the ship on a whole makes for a great vacation. I'll also be sharing tips from my 10 years of experience as a crew member, so stay tuned for those along the way. But let's get started at the very top and work our way down. We're starting off at the very top on the Solstice Deck on deck 16. Here you'll find lots of comfortable seating where you can kick back and take in the views. There's also a basketball court where you can, you guessed it, play basketball, but also volleyball and tennis. So it's a great place to get active. Moving down to deck 15 where the lawn club awaits. This huge park-like space, which is over 20,000 square feet, is covered with living grass and is perfect for relaxing in the sun. You can enjoy daily trivia games, picnics, and just lounge around. Plus, at night they host live concerts, which really adds to the atmosphere. Right next to it is the Lawn Club Grill. This is a reservations-only interactive dining experience where you can cook your own food. It's a fun and unique way to dine. I mean, I haven't tried it personally, but I've only heard good reviews. Adjacent to the Lawn Club, you'll find the Porch, a casual spot offering sandwiches, paninis, and fresh salads. And not far from there is the Sunset Bar, which offers panoramic views and an alfresco vibe. There's even live music to set the mood, and they also serve cigars for those who enjoy a bit of luxury with their sunset. If you're looking for a relaxed spot to enjoy a drink, you are in the right place here. Now, you may prefer to enjoy a drink in the cabin, so it's worth noting that on embarkation day, you are allowed to bring up to 2 bottles of wine or champagne per cabin in your hand luggage. It's just worth noting. Now we've come to the Mast Bar and Grill, and this is a great place to not only get views of the ocean, but also views of the main pool. This is your poolside made-to-order fast food bar, which serves burgers, fries, hot dogs, and it's completely complimentary and open from 11 AM to 6 PM. Next, let's head to deck 14, where the main pool is located. The pool area is lively, with a bridge connecting the pool to the pool bar, serving refreshing alcohol-free drinks and icy delights. There's also a family pool and a wet zone for the little ones to splash around. If you're into sports, the sports pool has 2 whirlpools to relax in after a swim. And during the day, especially on sea days, there's a lot of games that take place here, which are a lot of fun. Now, for a more serene experience, you want to check out the solarium pool. It has floor-to-ceiling windows, which makes it perfect for enjoying the view without the wind in your hair. This is an adults-only space, so it is perfect for those who want a more quiet, leisurely experience. And while you're here, don't miss the Spa Cafe, which is a great place to grab a light, healthy snack while you relax. Something I found when I was on board is the Spa Cafe was actually a great place to grab breakfast. The buffet area, which we'll get to later, can be a little bit crowded. The Sky Observation Lounge and Bar is an indoor lounge with floor-to-ceiling windows, plenty of comfortable seating, a full-service bar which also offers handcrafted cocktails. And the Sky Lounge also becomes a disco nightclub in the evening with DJs and live music. Now, if partying is something that you look forward to when you're on vacation, it might be worth purchasing a drinks package, but sometimes it's confusing to know whether you're actually going to get your money's worth by purchasing one. So if you want help figuring this or anything else out, call the number on the screen to speak to my trusted travel experts. They will walk you through everything, answer your questions, and help you get the best rate guaranteed. And now, especially if it's your first cruise, it's nice to have someone hold your hand through the process because it all can be quite confusing. So you can either click the link in the description box or, as I said, call the number on screen. At the other end of the ship, you will find the Ocean View Cafe and Bar. This can actually seat just under 900 people at any one time. And this is your complimentary buffet restaurant for self-service breakfast, lunch, and dinner with various food stations from pizza, pasta, meats, Asian, seafood, sushi, grills, salad bar, ice cream, and desserts, which is open between 6:30 AM and 1 AM. And I have to say, the selection of foods on offer here was truly mind-boggling. The quality of the food was sensational, but what I was really blown away by was all the different variations of food. And if you're going on the ship, you should definitely pack your trousers with an elastic waistline because you are gonna eat. But don't worry, because if you do eat too much, there is also the fitness center on board. And I can't say that I spent much time here during my cruise on the Celebrity Reflection, but I can appreciate that it's a great gym that is open between 6 a.m. and 11 p.m. And if you don't want to work out alone, there are also fitness classes that you can sign up for. Some are complimentary and some you will have to pay extra for. And if you do manage to visit the fitness center while you are on board Celebrity Reflection, then you might find that you have achy muscles the next day. So you'll need to visit the sauna and steam room located in the spa. They have a relaxation room with heated lounges, a thermal suite, treatment rooms where you can have massages, seaweed wraps, weight loss treatments. They have a hair salon, a beauty salon, a barber shop. Now, if you are going to get a treatment here, my recommendation is the Fire and Ice Pedicure. I used to work in the spa, so I know all the treatments that are offered like in the back of my hand. And yeah, you will not be sorry. Now, in this spa, they also have a thermal suite, which is known as the Persian Garden. So it's decorated with these beautiful turquoise tiles, which remind you of the ocean. So you can lie on these heated beds and get a great view of the outside. So the spa is one way to relax on holiday, but another popular way to relax is by reading a book. And this ship has its very own library, which honestly is the most beautiful library I have ever visited on a ship. Moving down to Game On, which, you guessed it, is a games room. Celebrity Eye Lounge is an internet and computer room open 24 hours. The lounge has crew providing assistance daily between 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. and in the evenings between 7 and 9 p.m. Now let's head down to 5. So you remember at the beginning of the video when I said the decor was different? This is what I was thinking about. It's different, but it's cool. And that can also be said for the Ensemble Lounge. The Ensemble Lounge is a classy spot to grab a drink, enjoy some live music and relax with a cocktail. And it's a great place to unwind before dinner because the specialty restaurants are close by. Next, I want to show you Michael's Club, which is located at the aft of the ship. This sports bar features big TVs, live music performances and a premium selection of alcohol. If you're in the mood for something truly special, Murano is the place to be. This exclusive reservations only French specialty restaurant offers a refined 4-course menu with elegant dishes and a beautiful wine tasting menu to complement each course. They also offer a luxurious champagne high tea from 2:30 to 4 p.m. Cuisine is a specialty restaurant serving seafood and steak and is only open in the evening between 6 and 10 p.m. Cuisine's restaurant menu is on iPads and features themed cuisine and traditional specialities, including shrimp, premium steaks. Also make your own tacos with guacamole. Plates are shareable with sizable portions. Opposite is where we will find the restaurant Blue. It is an exclusive restaurant for Aqua Class cabin passengers only. Blue is complimentary and open for breakfast between 8 and 9:30 and dinner between 6 and 9:30 p.m. Some of the signature dishes you can find here is grilled quail, seafood Napoleon, and for breakfast you can expect things like make-to-order eggs, French toast, waffles, pancakes. Blue Restaurant is designed as a private dining room, so if you do end up booking an Aqua Class cabin, don't forget that you can use Blue. Now, right at the back of the ship, we reach the Tuscan Grill, which serves traditional Italian food. So think pasta and sauce, Italian cheeses, prime beef, steaks, charcuterie boards, all of that good stuff. Moving on to something a little lighter now. Caffè Il Bacio and Gelateria is open between 11 a.m. and 11 p.m. and it is an a la carte priced patisserie, also serving specialty coffee. The Gelateria is an Italian gelato ice cream bar. So this is a wonderful place to grab yourself a Lavazza specialty coffee and enjoy some homemade gelato or even some gourmet snacks like fresh cookies, cakes, cheesecakes, croissants. You already know this is where I spent a good amount of time when I was cruising on the Reflection. And can you believe there is still more food to cover? So now we come to Sushi on 5. It's open for dinner and lunch on sea days, and this spot serves up a variety of delicious dishes from crispy gyozas, ramen, sashimi, hand-rolled sushi rolls, seared scallops, shrimp tempura. But for non-sushi lovers, you can try the stir fries here and the shrimp cocktails. So the restaurants we have just gone through, excluding Blue, are not going to be included in your initial cruise fare. And I know it can be hard to keep track of what's included in your cruise fare, which is why I always recommend booking your cruise with a travel agent. Personally, I book all my cruises with Cruises It because they know these ships inside and out and can help you figure out what's worth splurging on, what's included, and how to get the best deals. Now, when you look at a cruise line's website, you might see a cruise listed for one price, but if you call the number on screen and speak to someone from Cruises It, they can offer you the best price guaranteed. They'll also make sure you're getting all the perks and extras that might not be immediately obvious on the site. So it's one of the best ways to ensure you're getting the most value for your money. Now we're stepping into the world-class bar, formerly known as the Molecular Bar, where the art of mixology comes to life. Open from 5 p.m. to midnight, this trendy cocktail bar is staffed by expert bartenders who craft unique handcrafted cocktails using top-tier ingredients. For those looking to capture memories though, you can head to the photo gallery and studio, where you can browse professional photos or even book a photo shoot. They also offer photos and video services, plus equipment and accessories if you are looking to take your own shots. For entertainment, the Reflection Theatre is where the magic happens. With stunning performances, live shows and movies, this is the place to be for top-notch onboard entertainment. Heading down to Deck 4 now, and we have reached Cellar Masters. For wine enthusiasts, Cellar Masters is a must visit. Here you can purchase a $25 tasting card to explore different selections or chat with the sommelier during one of their evening tastings. The bar also serves premium beers and delicious tapas and antipasti from 5 p.m. to midnight. But if wine isn't your thing, you can head to the Martini Bar, because at the Martini Bar you will find a stylish, frosted main bar serving up expertly crafted martinis. It's a great place to enjoy a cocktail or indulge in one of their martini tastings. And whether you're a martini aficionado or a first timer, this bar is great. And I was a martini first timer, but me and my friends spent a lot of time becoming aficionados here. Now, if you're feeling lucky, Fortune's Casino offers all the excitement of a Vegas-style gambling lounge with everything from blackjack to roulette to craps, Texas Hold'em, plus with 276 slot machines, there is something for every type of gambler. Here we have the entertainment court, which is like a mini atrium, and just off that we have the conference center, which is a versatile space that transforms throughout the day. So whether it's a ballroom for special events or a meeting room or a banquet hall, this space will hit it all. If you find yourself already dreaming about your next adventure while you're on board, you can head to Future Vacations. This onboard sales office offers exclusive discounts on future celebrity cruises, so you can lock in your next getaway while you're still enjoying your current one. For entertainment and fun, Celebrity Central hits it all. This 200-seat lounge features a giant screen for movies, a stage for comedy shows and musical performances. Plus, you'll be able to find classes, lectures and interactive games held in here, so it's a perfect spot for a mix of entertainment and learning. Opus Restaurant is the ship's main dining room, offering a stunning 2-level space with floor-to-ceiling windows and a towering wine display. This complimentary venue serves open seating breakfast and lunch on sea days, as well as a traditional afternoon tea. My friend and I had dinner in the Opus Restaurant most evenings on board our cruise, and I have to say the service and the food was just absolutely outstanding. And the amazing thing is it's completely complimentary. The Grand Foyer is at the heart of the ship, and it's a stunning 3-deck high atrium where you can enjoy live music and vibrant entertainment. Celebrity are known for their silent discos, and this is where we enjoyed a few of them, and oh my gosh, wasn't it so much fun. It was my first ever silent disco and I really enjoyed it. And nearby you will find the Passport Bar, which means when you're at your silent disco you don't have to go too far to get a drink. On the lobby deck you'll find everything you need at guest relations, so whether you're looking for information on the Captain's Club, loyalty program, or you need assistance with reservations, this 24-hour service desk has you covered. And just next door you will find the Shore Excursions desk, where you can get all the details about exciting tours and excursions at each port of call that you'll be going to. If you don't book your excursions before you get on board, I would definitely recommend going to the excursions desk as soon as you get on board, because these excursions fill up very fast. Lumini is an exclusive complimentary restaurant for suite class guests. Open daily for breakfast, lunch and dinner, Lumini offers a menu that changes daily based on the cruise itinerary. The cuisine is international, featuring fresh locally sourced seafood, meats and wines. Can you believe it? But we have finally come to the end of our tour of the Celebrity Reflection. It is an absolutely beautiful ship, and I hope you have enjoyed seeing it in all its glory. If you are looking to book a cruise, then make sure you call the number on screen and speak to Cruises It, because as I said, they will ensure that you get the best rate guaranteed and will also try and give you lots of little extras that you wouldn't get if you booked directly with the cruise line. But thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you being here, and as always guys, I'll see you in the next one.